where I work, I notice a lot of people coming with a complaint. They feel like it's ringing. They feel like something's ringing inside of the ear, like there's water in their ear. Different kinds of complaint. Once you come in, I ask you, do you use cotton bud to clean your ear? The person says yes, and I tell you that's where your problem started from. Welcome to my channel. My name is Pharmacist Francisca Onyechi. Today I want to correct a very popular behavior among us, in which we try to clean our ears with cotton bud. I want to tell you today that it's a wrong practice, and instead of really doing you good like you think or you feel before doing it, it's actually harming you. Why? Those earwax you're trying to clean are naturally produced to serve some important functions. It protects your ear from infections, bacteria, it filters things that try to come inside your ear. So aside that, it also provides a lubricating function to your ear. So there's usually a balance in the production. So usually what causes overproduction is when you don't try to interrupt by trying to clean off. What you do when you try to use cotton bud to clean your ear is that you end up pushing dirt inside of your ear instead of really getting things out. The ones you try to clean, you think you cleaned out, and they were there, they actually came out, but then some of the ones that are more harmful have gotten right inside of your ear, and they are going there to cause you more infection. Then you also run the risk of damaging your eardrum. They are delicate, the organs inside they are delicate, so you're not meant to actually toy with them by using. People use different things, some even use brooms, some use feathers, different sort of things to clean their ears. It's not advised. What you do is that if you suffer a build-up, maybe if the ear usually is there's a balance, it doesn't get so much, you can actually clean up. If there is any dirt here, you can use maybe a damp cloth, just put small water on a light cloth, try to clean up from here. Then if there is wax build-up, usually hydrogen peroxide is used to clean the ear. There is also an oil that dissolves wax. There's the one we call serum, is a popular oil that is used to dissolve earwax. So I want to really correct you. From where I work, I notice a lot of people coming with a complaint. They feel like it's ringing. They feel like something's ringing inside of the ear, like there's water in their ear. Different kinds of complaint. Once you come in, I ask you, do you use cotton bud to clean your ear? The person says yes, and I tell you that's where your problem started from. You're not meant to be doing that. The ear is self-cleaning. There's a balance there. It's not too much. What is there is not too much. It serves some protective function. If it gets too much, there's a process to clean it. There's oil, there's hydrogen peroxide to clean. Then you can actually, maybe if you're using hydrogen peroxide, the ones that come out towards the outside of your ear, you can use cotton or even the so-called cotton bud to clean up from outside of you, but not to start pushing it inside of your ear. It's actually wrong, and it like exposes you to harm, to infections, to damage of your eardrum. I see those cases almost on a daily basis. It's actually a wrong practice. Learn it today, stop it, and it's for your good. Thank you for being here to the end. See you in my next video.